Hello guys, my name is Marius. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass Bell Hub 3000 and use your own router. Okay, so this is the Bell router. Bell is installing this in every house that has optical fiber. As you guys know, in Toronto they put fiber to the house, so now we are you can have like actually 1.5 gigabit per second internet connection, and they're using this one. The way they deliver the internet inside this hub, there's a SFP module. On the left side there's a little latch with a door, and inside is the SPF module. It has a little pull lever, and you pull from it and it comes out. This is the piece of equipment that Bell is registering on his network. The guy who is installing fiber into your house is gonna pull this from a little box. Mine is a Huawei. So the reason to do this, why would you wanna remove this from your network? Well, the first reason is to avoid radiations. This hub is known to have a very high level of radiations. Microwave radiation, which we know that microwave radiation is not good for your body, and it's actually, people actually measured it. You can search on YouTube, you'll see the level that the radiation this guy is putting up. Although their technician it can tell you that, well, you can turn off the Wi-Fi from the router and just bridge with your own, but actually it's not true. This piece of equipment has a hidden Wi-Fi, and it's always on. You cannot turn it off. They're using it to connect their boxes, the TV boxes. So this will constantly emit some radiation. The second reason to remove this from your network is to have better control on your network. Using your own router, you can have a VPN service. You can have a VPN client. You can also like do some quality of service, prioritize some services. So it's a good reason to take this out. I don't have a TV with Bell, so I don't know how this works if you have TV boxes. So let's get going. In order for you to do that, as I showed you, you have to pull this module off from this little, you open this up, and inside is this module. The module has a little handle which you can pull it, right? So once you do that, let's put it aside. We don't need this anymore. So what pieces of equipment you need to do this is, of course, your own router. I'm using here the RTN12, the Asus one. It's just for example purposes. On my network I have an RTAC86U. So this is just an example. The router has an Ethernet port, the blue one right here. Also, you will need this piece of equipment. It's a TP-Link gigabit Ethernet media converter, MC220L. It's around 40 bucks on Amazon. It has the SFP port, it has the Ethernet port. It's capable of doing 1 gigabit per second connection. So what do? You take the SFP module that you took from the Bell router, and you plug it in the TP-Link. Right? You hear a click. It's going in. If you put it the other way, it's not going to click. So just take it out and put it on the other way. It's you plug the SFP module in. You take your Ethernet cable that is going to go to your internet port in the router, and you plug it into your media converter, right? And into the SFP port that you plug that in, you have to put the optical cable that Bell installed inside your house. It looks something like this. It has a green jack on the top. It can only go one way. It doesn't go around, so it only has one way of plug it in. So you put this into this one, right? Matches. That's it. And you take the other end of the Ethernet cable. This is for example purposes only. And you plug it into the internet port of your router. Plug this in. Plug the media converter in. Right, with it has a power port. It comes with a power plug. So you turn this on, and we will go and see what how the interface looks and what the parameters are that you need to set up. It's not very hard. This video is not going to be about setting up your router from the wireless connection and everything. It's just what you have to set into your router so you can make this work without the hub routers. Okay guys, so now we're at the desktop. I'm gonna go first on the Amazon website, and I can show you the TP-Link. TP-Link MC220L, and this is it. Here you go. So you see in the picture it's a little bit different than the one that I showed you. They have a model that is it's an older model, version 3. They sent me the version 4 model, which basically has 3 LEDs instead of 4. It does the same thing. So it's $39.99 right now on Amazon, on sale from $43.48. So this is the gigabit Ethernet media converter that you need in order to bypass your Bell router hub. So now let's go to the router interface. So you should know your router IP address. Mine is 192.168.1.1 is the common used one. So let's log in. Okay, so once we log in, you go to the one, and after you go to the one, you have to set up your configuration. So you choose the one connection type to be PoE, and you enable one, enable NAT. The other one, just leave it default. And then on the bottom part, you can have the DNS servers set automatically if you want, or you can put the Google ones. I use the Google ones, it seems to be faster. In the account settings, the username, it should be on your Bell account. And when you log in into your Bell account on the internet, the username and password is there. And MTU and MRU, they should be set. You can start with 1498. 1500 seems to do the best settings. And let's go to the other settings that we have to do. We go to LAN, and on the LAN section you go to IPTV. Most of the routers should have this. So on the IPTV section, what you have to do, you have to choose manual setting. and on the manual setting you have to tag the internet to 35, and this will actually give you the connection to Bell. This is how it's tagged on their hub. Of course, if you have TVs with Bell, the boxes, I think it's a little bit more complicated. I'm not exactly sure what's the other port you have to tag. Yeah, this is how you take the Bell Hub from the network. It's not hard. You just need to buy the TP-Link. You just need to buy the TP-Link gigabit media converter. Plug the SFP module from the Bell into this port. Connect your Ethernet cable and then to your router. Do the settings, and it should be working. Please let me know in the comments if you were able to make this work, or if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was useful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.